Hey guys, welcome back to another video and thank you so much for watching. My name is Denise and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So in today's video, we are going to be playing with this polygel kit from Makartt called Boutique Florist. It's a super cute kit, very simple, but first I want to show you what's inside. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is these tweezers. They're super sleek, all white, and of course they have the brand's name, which is Makartt. The second thing that you're going to see is this clear polygel. It's a nice size bottle. I think I saw about 50 mLs. I think that's what I seen. And so next thing we have is flowers, 3 cases of flowers. The colors are absolutely beautiful. You get small sizes, big sizes. So you do get a variety of flowers in this kit. Perfect for springtime, which is coming up. So absolutely love this kit. All right, guys, so let's move on to the fun part, which is the application process. So to start off with, I wanted to cover up the nail beds, and for that I needed like a nude color or cover color, which I did not have in this kit. It only came with a clear polygel. So I did grab this pinkish color from another polygel kit, which is also from Makartt, called Life of a Rose. This color is called Bloom. And as you just saw me do, I just placed a bead where my natural nail bed and the tip would meet, and I'm just working it up towards the cuticle. So what I'm doing is patting, and then I'm pulling towards the free edge because I'm trying to blend it out as much as I possibly can, making sure that I have my sides covered as well. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I am going to end up covering the blended area with gold flakes. I am going to be covering all the nail beds with this color. Lately I've been having a lot of fun playing with polygel. The only polygel that I have used is from Makartt, and I absolutely love their polygel. The consistency of the polygel is pretty thick and I like it. Like once you place the polygel down, it doesn't go anywhere and it's very workable, very manageable, and I like that. And I like that it gives me time to work it and it doesn't like dry up as fast as acrylic. Like polygel, you actually have to cure it once you're ready, to cure it once you're done with whatever it is you're doing on the nail. So that's what I like about polygel. It gives me time. It doesn't go anywhere. I don't have to chase it around or whatnot, I guess you could say. So yeah, I've definitely been having a lot of fun playing with polygel. I haven't tried any other brand of polygel. So if you have a favorite brand, let me know down in the comments below, and I would definitely like to try that out. Maybe I can order some from another brand, but right now, Makartt is my favorite polygel. And I am using alcohol as my slip solution today. And like I mentioned in my last video, I believe, that's all I've used as my slip solution. I haven't tried a base coat or anything like that. I think in other videos, I've seen people use base coat and they absolutely love it, but I have yet to try base coat as my slip solution. I think they say it's more manageable. It makes the polygel more easy, I guess, to move around, but I haven't had any issues with the alcohol, so I like using alcohol. And just to let you guys know, because I don't show it in the video, but after being done with the application, after every nail, I did flash cure for about 10 to 30 seconds. So moving on, now that I'm done covering up my nail beds, I'm going to start adding the gold flakes. And here I'm just taking those tweezers to help me lay out the gold flakes. The polygel is still a little bit sticky, so that's helping me with putting down the flakes and them not going anywhere. So I'm just covering up where the blended area is. Like I told you guys, it didn't have to be perfect because I was going to end up covering it up anyways. So I'm just sporadically adding it to wherever I needed it to go. And so after I'm done adding the gold flakes, I am going to add some glitter to it as well. I already like how the nails look just like this with the gold flakes, so I could have definitely left it like this, but Of course, I added more to it because we are using the Boutique Florist Polygel kit with all those beautiful flowers. So here I'm just taking that glitter and just place it where I want it to go. And again, like this, they already look pretty. I could have easily added the clear polygel and called it a day, but we're going to be adding the flowers. And so here we are. So for these nails, I wanted to go more with the nude colors, more natural colors. So here I'm just taking that that flower and I just cut it in half so I could place it down on the nail because obviously the whole flower doesn't fit. So first what I did is I thought I would place down the flower on top of the clear polygel, but that wasn't really helping the flowers stick. So what I did was just grab my gem glue from Red Iguana and I just brushed it on the nail tip to help the flowers stay. And then I flash cured for about 10 seconds just so the flower wouldn't go anywhere or stick up. And here I'm just cutting the extra of the flower off because once I encapsulate, you don't want anything hanging off the nail. So I'm just cutting off the extra. And these flowers are super pretty. I love the colors. They're very natural earth tones, nudes. That's what I was going for, and I absolutely love how they turned out. And here I'm just covering the extra, as you can see. And I did flash cure again for about 10 seconds or so. So now I'm going to go ahead and cap all those nails. So here I am placing a good amount of that clear polygel onto the nail, and as you can see, this polygel isn't going anywhere, which again, that's what I love. So I'm just dipping my brush in that alcohol and I'm patting it very gently because I'm trying to cover everything that's on that nail. I don't want anything sticking out or anything like that because once it comes down to filing, you don't want to file off your gold flakes, glitter, or anything like that. So I am making sure that I cover everything with the clear polygel. And I'm also keeping in mind that I need to keep the shape of my nail. So I am patting that polygel in at the edges of the nail just to make sure that I'm still kind of maintaining my shape, just to make the filing a little bit easier on me. And I know you guys haven't seen the results, but I mean, you can only imagine what the results look like already. But these by far are my favorite polygel nails that I have done. I just love the colors. I love the gold flakes. I love the flowers. Like, everything came out super beautiful, and I absolutely love how they turned out. So I am really proud of these. I wish that I can do nails like this on myself, but it's just hard to do nails like this on myself. Like, I would definitely need some help, and I wish that I lived close to someone that I knew that can do nails like this. So if any of you guys want to fly out to California and do my nails for me, because don't forget, I am subscribed to all of you guys watching. Well, most of you, because some of you guys don't have a channel. But the ones that I'm subscribed to and I've seen you guys do nails, I know you guys do some bomb work. So fly out to California and do my nails for me. Okay guys, so we're almost at the end of this video, and I just wanted to tell you guys that after I was done encapsulating these nails, I did take them off my clamp thing to cure in the lamp for 60 seconds, of course. But after that, I just forgot to hit record or whatnot. So after I was done curing, I went ahead and filed and shaped my nails and applied the top coat. And then I was like, hold up, I didn't even hit record. So I didn't record any of the process, so I do apologize. So after I'm done encapsulating, it's gonna go straight to the end, and I'm gonna show you what these nails look like. So I do apologize in advance if you guys wanted to see some top coat action, because I mean, who doesn't love that part, right? Because that's when all the nails come to life and it looks so beautiful. All right guys, so here we go. These are the final results. I hope you guys love them just as much as I do. Look at them, they're so beautiful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.